In today's video, we're reviewing Shiftsmart, a gig work app that connects workers with flexible shifts at various companies. But how does it actually work, and does it pay workers fairly? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is Shiftsmart? It's a mobile platform that lets people find part-time or gig shifts in industries like retail, hospitality and warehousing. Workers can browse available shifts, see pay rates up front and choose the ones that fit their schedule. Thinking of it as an on-demand job marketplace. Now let's talk about using the app. First, you want to go ahead and download Shiftsmart and create an account. Then complete your profile, which may include background checks or certifications depending on the type of work. Once approved, you can browse shifts by location, role and pay rate. If a shift looks good, you can claim it directly through the app. There is no middleman required. Another key feature is payment. Shiftsmart promises timely payouts, typically weekly, and shows the exact pay rate before you book a shift. This transparency helps workers know what they'll earn ahead of time. Now, of course, there are trade-offs. So some users report that not all shifts are consistently available and pay rates vary depending on the employer and region. Since it's gig work, hours may be unpredictable and benefits like health insurance or retirement are generally not included. So keep that in mind. So who benefits most from Shiftsmart? If you're looking for flexible part-time work or want to supplement your income with gig shifts, Shiftsmart makes it easy to find and book jobs, but you need stable long-term employment with benefits. It might not be the right fit. So now to wrap it up, Shiftsmart simplifies finding flexible work and provides transparency in pay, but gig work also always comes with variable in hours and rates. It's a useful tool for those who value flexibility and quick access to work.